Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you tonight with a kind of unboxing product review video. My wife's kind of been on to me lately. She's wanting me to get some more of these cooking products in and do some more reviews and stuff like that. I hadn't done that in a while. One thing we've been talking about we really need is a kind of a spice grinder type thing. We've done a lot of research. This one we found on Amazon and through a couple friends' suggestions. This is finamill, and basically this one is a spice grinder, handheld grinder, spice on demand. Let me show you kind of a problem that I've been running into for a while. So we buy these little things at your discount grocer, and they're like a little mill, with spices in here, the mill built in, and these things are just terrible. The mill's terrible, they get off track. So actually I went and got some pliers and just busted the cap off of this one. And another thing is, I don't have any with me, but some of the spices, the rubs and things that I use for ribs and barbecue and stuff, a little bit coarser than I want, especially for a finishing rub. I want an adjustable grinder like this, and one I can change out the cartridges on, where I can adjust what we grind, how big you want. So this is a peppercorn melody right here, and then we've got a Italian herb and seasoning dry melody. Two things I think this grinder, I hadn't even opened it. You're going to join me here with the unboxing. I'll put a link to it in the description box. And we'll go ahead and just open this here. And let's just take a look at what we got. I'm just thinking about cutting myself. Okay. Oh, cool. Okay. So we got some nice instructions here for you. Do that, look. Shows you how you can get more of these little capsules or little the grinding bases, things like that. And here's the grinder itself here. It's pretty cool. So, and it's got just a push button top, I imagine, on there. I don't know if it's, like I said, I'm just running, I'm not even reading any instructions. Let's see, probably need to read like a quick start guide or something like that. Just a second, y'all. Push button, interchangeable pods, refillable pods. These pods also store your spices. Power options. So it's via USB or 3 AA batteries. Let me get some batteries in here, y'all. All right, y'all. Well, I got the batteries in here. Basically what you did is you just twist this little piece right there off, you put your batteries in. This is the battery model. They will come out with a USB chargeable, but this is the first model here. Now let's talk a little bit about the pods. All right, here's your pod, and obviously you can store some spices in here too, but they're pretty easy to use. Right here on the bottom, which y'all see, you've got a gauge here that says medium, coarse, or fine. And basically you can twist this and turn it to the coarseness that you want. If you want a medium, coarse, fine, or whatever you want like that, okay? So that's what that is right there. And then the pod itself just comes apart by you just turn it just like that. When you see those openings, put your hand, just hold the base and turn the pod top. Very simple, okay? I'm gonna show you something else here real quick, is how you put the pod onto the grinder itself. This just pushes on just like that, just snaps on. Very simple. And then you can push your button, it grinds. Now let's talk about what type of pods with these grinders. These are actually a burr grinder, which is just like your coffee grinder or something like that. Very, very nice. Not just something that just grinds with blades. It's got burrs. You can see it down there. It's just like an auger. It just crushes everything. Doesn't cause a lot of heat or anything like that. Now these are kind of your multiple everyday use pods. This is what they're selling right now. They will come out with some different types of pods, some for like some oilier stuff like sesame seeds and leafy spices and everything. For right now, this is what they've got. These are great, and you get 2 packs of those. This particular unit I had came with 2. Let me show you right now how you fill your pod. Of course, you hold this upside down like this. I'm going to put salt in this one. We'll just put some pink salt in here. Alright, like that. And then we'll put the lid back on. Screw it on there, just like that, secure it, and then we can put the grinder right on. Now I've already got some black pepper this other one. Let's go ahead and give you a demonstration here. I've got this one set on fine, by the way. Let's go ahead and just apply it on there, and we're just going to push the button. Move this piece of white paper, that way y'all can see what's going on here. Zoom you in a little bit. Okay. Look at that. Finely ground. Y'all can see black pepper. That's great. I mean, that didn't take any time at all. The aroma is absolutely amazing. So y'all take a look at that. So what I mean, very fine, perfect. If that's something you want. Now, let's go ahead and switch out. We'll take the salt. We'll give that a try. Very easy. Switch out that, and you don't have to worry about more salt and caught up in there, pepper, anything like that. So just kind of clean a piece of paper off here. Let's try with the salt. Salt I've got set to about a medium grind. Alright. Whoop, sorry about that. It's got a little LED light to kind of show you what's going on. So your salt is a little bit more coarse. As you can see, nicely grinding that pink salt. So really cool. I like this device. I'm going to definitely make use of it. Use it on my barbecue rubs, things like that. But I'll post a link to it. Here's the box right here. Flip it up the right way. Finamill. And really cool that you've got different mills. One you could use for, let's say, a more potent spice like your black pepper or something. And let's say you had something a little bit sweeter. Let's say you even had something sweet like I don't know, cinnamon or something like that. You use in different pods. So really like the idea of this. I'll put a link where you can get you one. I'm gonna order me some more pods for sure. Again, I want to use this with some of my barbecue rubs so I can tone them down as far as the texture goes. Get them in and just grind over those ribs and things like that. Get stuff a little less coarse. But this is really cool little deal. Did a lot of research before I ended up deciding on this one. But thanks again, y'all, and I appreciate you. Remember, like my videos, sub my channel. God bless, and y'all have a good one. And leave me any questions you may have in the description box.